for as long as we live.
For as long as we live.
I will always
I will always.
and forever
And forever.
be your bear.
Be your bear.
I love you.
I love you.
Face me, please. This marriage ceremony is called a covenant by God, and it's important that we understand what covenant is. God never intended for marriage to be a convenient-based contract that we could easily get out of or decide one day not to do. The history and the culture and the spiritual context of a biblical blood covenant between two parties is most sacred. In the eyes of God, it absolutely cannot be broken. Covenant points to Jesus, the one who shed his blood to make a spiritually binding agreement for our redemption. Listen, God knew we couldn't build marriage on just a contract, easily canceled, cast aside on personal whims or weaknesses. Marriage depends upon more than just a piece of paper. It calls for the merging of your lives together in building of hearts. A contract is based on legalism and leverage, but a covenant is based on trust, love, and loyalty. A contract is for as long as we both shall love, but a covenant is for as long as we both shall live. God is love, and he is eternal. Therefore, a covenant in God is eternal, and so are its symbols. You've selected the ring to be a symbol of your marriage covenant. Your love will be exposed to many different seasons and many different changes. Let these rings be a constant reminder that your love for each other will always endure through the seasons of life. May I have Terry Lee's ring, please? Christopher?
Yes.
Face each other, please. Place this ring on Terry Lee's finger and repeat this after me. With this ring,
With this ring, with this ring,
I pledge you my faith and
I
trust
pledge you my faith and trust
for as long as we live.
for as long as we live.
Receive it as a symbol
Receive it as a symbol
of our endless union
of our endless union
and our unbroken love.
and our unbroken love.
Christopher, you have a responsibility before God. You have a responsibility before God to be the head of this marriage. Would you hold that ring again, please? Let this be a reminder to you that you are to love, protect, and provide for Terry Lee as Jesus does for the church. Thank you. May I have Christopher's ring, please? Terry Lee, place this ring on Christopher's finger and repeat after me.
Not that one.
Got you.
Got you.
Say this with me, Terry Lee. With this ring,
With this ring,
I pledge you my faith and trust
I pledge you my faith and trust
for as long as we live.
for as long as we live.
Receive it as a symbol
Receive it as a symbol
of our endless union
of our endless union
and our unbroken love.
and our unbroken love.
Face me, please. Christopher and Terry Lee, you've exchanged rings. You've desired that your marriage would be a representation of a threefold nature. A true covenant marriage is always threefold in nature: God, husband, and wife. Today, Chris and Terry Lee, I ask you to let the three